Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for State of Decay 2 on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today for £25. Yeah, wasn't a massive fan of the first game, but to be honest, I thought I'd give this one a chance, see what it's like, and see if I enjoy the second one rather than the first one. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, as you'll see for the Xbox One X, it's 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Xbox One X Enhanced, and it is an Xbox One console exclusive. So yeah, there's the front, side, and the back, and it says "How will you survive?" It says all that there. So you can do co-op as well in this game, which is pretty cool. So the install size is 30 gig, up to 30 gig, so that's cool. So yeah, inside is just a disc. So yeah, that is my rather quick unboxing of State of Decay 2 on the Xbox One X, guys, or on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.